our third conference that we are conducting here in Pakistan and here at the Islamic University of Bahawalpur. This is going to be one of the largest international conference on tourism, entrepreneurship, and business research fields in Pakistan. We are inviting more than 15 keynote international speakers from Europe, from USA, from Indonesia, Malaysia, China, and Norway. So, if you have a research idea in any field of business research like tourism, hospitality, entrepreneurship, supply chain management, operations management, technology management, finance, investment, Islamic banking, Islamic finance, leadership, HR, and marketing and international business, you can submit your paper in this conference.